Hi guys, welcome to your 8th tutorial on PHP, and in this we're going to look at comparison operators, right? So I have two variables, x and y, 13, 14, and if statement. So if something is true, print it, else go, if it's not true, go to the else statement and print that. So we have down is s of x. Now this punctuation means not equal to y. So what do you think? Is it not equal to y, or is it equal to y? That is the question. So let's see. Let's say false. What is true? What am I talking about? Of course it's true. It's equal to 1. Sure, you're going to lose me. S of x equal to 1. So we're comparing the values here. False. Now, if I put in here this S of x greater than or equal to y, we should get, well, we're going to change this to 50. 60, say. Save that. What do we get here? Refresh that. Of course it is. Must be true. Okay, so there's a few here I want to go over. We'll go to some more on the next one. So basically, so the if statement, you put in the comparison in here, and then you echo out either if it's true, and if it's not, it's going to go to this else and echo that result. Okay, we'll do a few more on the next one. Thanks for joining, guys. See you then. Bye bye.